Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the arguments topic, right? So today we'll be discussing about types of functions and the Python. So let's get into the definition part here. So Python functions can be built-in, user-defined, lambda is nothing but anonymous or recursive, right? So Python functions can be built-in, user-defined, lambda, anonymous or recursive, right? So just keep this in mind. I'll just read this one out loud again. Just listen to this carefully. Python functions can be built in, user defined, lambda, nothing but anonymous functions or recursive. So before getting into the example part, let me tell you one thing. So each type, whatever I have mentioned here, built in, user defined, lambda or recursive, each type serves particular purpose, right? So built in is useful for the common tasks. Lambda functions are used for short use, and recursion recursive functions or the recursion is used for repeating patterns, right? So let's see the very simple example, or let's get into the example part here. First let's go with the built-in. So I'll just go with print here len length of so let me pass something within the strings. I'll just go with hello, right? So let me go with hello. This is fine. So next let's go with the user defined. This is nothing but the simple example for the built-in functions. So next let's go with the user defined functions. So I'll just go with def. It should start with the def, right? So I'll just go with the function name square, and let me pass some parameter. I'll just name this one x, right? So within the function, I'll just go with return x into x. Return this one x into x, right? So here let me print something. So we have to go with the function name, right? So I'll just go with the print square of x into x. We have to pass some number, right? So I'll just go with a number, any number. So I'll just go with 4 here. So this is fine. This is simple example, the line number 5. So let me comment this one and write. So this is nothing but here what it is, built-in. This is nothing but the built-in function, and this is nothing but, so just give me a second here, this is nothing but user defined. So this is nothing but user defined, right? So user defined functions, the final one is nothing but this one, lambda lambda right, lambda function. So here let me go with one very simple example. I'll just go with double, variable name double. So this one will be lambda x. So let me consider something x into 2. We have already considered x into x, or you can just consider x plus 2 or something, anything, right? So I'll just go with x into 2 just for the example sake. So let me print something, the function name, this one, the name I have given here variable. So I'll just go with the double, print double, so function name itself, right? Print double of 5, print double of 5. Sorry, this is function name itself, double. So we are making use of the lambda functions, nothing but anonymous functions, right? So here the for this one, for the last one, we have to get the output 10, because we are passing 5, right? So 5 into 10, 5 into 2 has to be 10. So the first one has to print the length, nothing but length of the hello is 5, and the second one we are going with a number 4, 4 into 4 16, this one 5 16, and the last one is 5 into 2 10, right? 5 16 and 10 are the output that we need to get here, right? So this is simple example for the built-in function, this is simple example for the user defined function, and this is simple example for the lambda functions, right? So again, let me read this one out loud. Python functions can be built in, user defined, lambda, nothing but the anonymous functions or the recursive, right? So here let me write this one, let me run this code. So I'll just go with a python this one file name, let me copy from here, we paste it over here dot py. So the output that we are getting here is 5 16 and 10, right? So we are getting the correct output. So this is very simple example of different Python functions, right? So again, this is built-in, this is user defined function, and this is lambda function, right? So this is it for the types of functions. This is it for the types of functions. So next we'll be discussing on the keyword arguments. Next we'll be discussing on the keyword arguments. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.